Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine. Thank you so much for selecting this video today. I am so excited for two reasons, because I'm able to do this unboxing. I am excited. This is my first box from American Influencer Beauty Bundle. I have been eyeing this brand, this company. As you know, I love to share spoilers with you guys, and I'm always in the hunt looking to see which one is a good spoiler or which one is a good box to consider. And this is the one that I was so tempted. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get this box. And something happened that then they reached out to me and they said, I'm gonna send you this box free, just do an unboxing, share it with you guys, for me to share with you guys. And then I got a code. Well, it's not a coupon code, it's more like a link. You don't need to type a coupon code, it's a direct link, and you guys get to save 10% if you guys are interested. This is a bi-monthly subscription box. This one costs $34. And I loved that the way they work is through influencers, so you will see a variation. It will never repeat because it is all about influencers. And this bi-monthly, which is started for the month of August and September, is all about Pure Lease. And I'm so excited because I love this brand, and through this bundle, this subscription, I'm able to try out this brand. So I'm gonna do the unboxing. But yes guys, I am in love with this brand, Pure Lease. We got this from boxycharm. I got two. I got light and medium tan, and you're gonna see me applying this foundation or this BB cream. This is something that I really love to apply, especially in the summer. That way is, you know, you're not wearing so much makeup. I really love this. Is my go-to. This is one that I love, and you see me applying both. One thing that they do recommend, you don't even need to apply moisturizer because it does moisturize your skin. So when I'm on the go, especially, I don't even need to apply moisturizer. I just apply that and it does work. But for this video, I wanted to apply another moisturizer that I am so excited about, and it's a Jacobs Youthquake. So you're gonna see me applying that too. So I'm excited guys. What I love about this brand is it was something that I could relate with her, because she spent hours under bright lights and heavy makeup, which took a major toll on her complexion and her confidence. So she was on a quest, in a journey to restore her skin. And that's when she rediscovered her grandmother's Asian beauty secrets, which transformed her complexion. And now with her products, we're able to transform it too. So I love that, because I have been on a journey to I went to the dermatologist, different dermatologists, and they didn't know, their words were, I don't know what else to give you for my acne. And then I was on a quest. I was searching information, and through different videos and information, I have been able to see major improvement on my skin. And now I'm very careful what I apply on my skin, but also now I need to treat my body, my skin, and that's why I love this brand. So I was very tempted. I was about to get the subscription because of this brand. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. And the first thing you see is we got a bag. This is so cute. This is a watermelon canvas cosmetic bag. This one retails for about $10. So you could put this as your travel bag. That will be when I start traveling again. I don't know when that will happen, but hopefully soon. And then in the back it says, give your skin a burst of energy. I like to take makeup on the car, so while my husband is driving, I'm applying some makeup. So I think that's what I'm gonna use. Another thing that I love, I just love their packaging. I think this is so cute. And then inside it says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. Love that, be you. So one of the first products that I did try, I tried a few others I haven't tried yet, is this face mist. This is my new skincare routine, well, skincare makeup routine I've been doing. I didn't know if it was going to work, and it does work. I apply a moisturizer. In this case, I did apply a moisturizer, then I applied the face mist, and this face mist retails for $9.99, and this is a pink charcoal watermelon antioxidant face mist. I want a face mist that is going to continue hydrating my skin, and it's going to offer something for my skincare routine. And this one does claim to have antioxidants, which I love. And something else I love, it says that it has green tea, and it's going to be refreshing, smoothing, and hydrating. So even though I have oily skin, for some reason it's getting kind of like dry sometimes, so I do need to moisturize. And I notice the more I moisturize, the more I hydrate my skin, the less the oils are coming through. Before, my oils will come out like an hour later after I finish washing my face. After I apply my foundation, it will come out like sometimes an hour later. The way I have been taking care of my skin is lasting so long, and the way I've been doing this routine, I'm noticing that it's lasting even more. So I'm loving that. It does smell really good. It's so hydrating, so I love that. And even has green tea, so love that. That retails for $9.99. The other thing that I tried was the Purifying cleansing milk. This is also, as you see, the theme continues. This is pink charcoal and watermelon, and also has green tea, guys. I love that. Gently cleans your skin. And another thing is that it's going to help remove makeup, and it's going to tone and soothe your skin. This one retails for $9.99. And let me tell you something, I am wow impressed, blown away about this cleanser. There's so many cleansers that claim that it's going to remove your makeup, but of course, anytime that you have mascara, or in this case eyeliner or liquid eyeliner, a lot of the times I have to do so many things just to remove that. And I do love a balm. And something that I did try, I tried this Marc Jacobs. This is waterproof, and let me tell you, I did a swatch. I took a bath, I tried a cleansing balm and everything, and it did not come off. So I put this to the test. I swatched it again, and you guys are gonna see it on camera, and I tried this, and I am blown away that it removed this waterproof, that it has taken days for it to remove from a swatch that I did. With this cleansing milk, it took it away. So you're gonna see it in the video. It speaks for itself. I am blown away, and I'm happy that there is something there that I don't have to use so many different products to remove, especially that type of eyeliner or highliner. So that one retails for $9.99, and I think that is a keeper. Then we have a scrub. This is for the body. I'm excited because it has two ingredients that I love: coconut oil and coffee. I love coffee. And this is a body scrub. It's going to smooth, exfoliate, and it's going to nourish your skin. This one retails for $24, and this is going to give you that youthful look. I have been searching stuff for my face, and now my hair, and now my body. I really need to take care of my body. I am love that. I can't wait to try that out. So let's see how it looks like. And I did try it real quickly, and it does have those sugars to help you exfoliate, and it does smell like like coffee. So I love that. And coffee does have great things for your skin. So can't wait to try this, guys. So once you finish with that scrub, that you should do it just a few times in a week. We have the body butter. This one retails for $24. You can use this every day, so it's gonna promote elasticity, clarity, and skin suppleness. So I love that. So let's try this. I love the packaging too. I love the colors. I feel like it's perfect. Now this one feels reminding me of the fall. It does smell a little bit like coffee. I love that. I could smell coffee all day. I don't mind. It does feel super soft on the skin. Oh, love that. I don't like too many body lotions because sometimes they feel so heavy, and I'm like, oh, I don't like it. But this one feels, look, it's just lightweight. So I'm excited for that, guys. Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. This one retails for $24. I'm a little scared on peel off masks. Some of them they don't recommend because it could strip your skin. That's not good. But when I did hear her talking about it, have different type of vitamins. It has vitamin A, B, C, and it has blackberry to help refine your pores, and it has cranberry to fight free radicals. Loving that. So you're getting antioxidant. It has elderberry, which is going to brighten and detoxify your skin. Just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you peel off. Hopefully it doesn't hurt when you peel it off. I haven't heard that it does hurt when you peel it off. And she did say that you're gonna see removing all those things that sometimes is clogging your pores. It stays really deep in, and it's gonna help remove that. So I love that. I love the texture of it. I love how it smells. Look how cute that is. And that's interesting that it has marshmallow and it has all those berries and it has all those vitamins in a mask. So I feel like we're getting so many great ingredients and nutrients for the skin, not just for your face but also for your body. So I am loving that. It does smell really, really good. And last, we got a little sample of the Aqua Balm. This is a watermelon energizing Aqua Balm. The regular size retail for $24, but this one is gonna soothe your skin and hydrate it as well. So I love the theme that we're seeing here. It's all perfect for the summer, and I feel like this is perfect already for the fall. Look how cute this is. So I'm excited for this box. If this is something, this is a brand that you've been wanting to try, for $34 you're getting all these products. What I like about this subscription is bi-monthly. That means you get it every other month, and you get to try different brands or whatever an influencer chose. And this one is all about Pure Leaves. So I'm excited because this is a brand that I love and I wanted to try more products, and now I can. I love that some of them have so many great ingredients, vitamins, and green tea. So loving this. So if you guys are interested, the link is going to be provided below. You guys could go ahead and try it and save 10%, and while getting all these for $34. So I think that's a win. And so guys, let me know what you guys think. Have you tried this brand? Have you tried any of these products? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section if you like it and you want to try it out. Don't forget, it's going to be provided in the link below. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you're having a wonderful week, and until the next video, bye.